Today it's me, Claire, and Nora from Sisters Galore.
Hi.
And today we are going to be baking. So, first up we have eggs and milk. So, let's get to it. So, we're going to crack 2 eggs. We're just doing some random stuff. I'm going to crack one. Can you grab?
Wow. You think that's
Yeah, I'm a professional egg cracker.
Hello.
And
Can you get the towel? This will probably go bad.
just hit it hard. And now take, is there a crack anyway?
A little bit.
Where?
Here.
Oh, then hit it again. There. Now take your fingers, press kind of in, separate it.
I'm not the best.
Oh, okay.
Can I put this?
In there. Grab a bowl or a paper towel, something.
Okay, I'm just going to mess you up for a second.
Okay, so now we're gonna add, we added 2 eggs. Now we're gonna add
Some milk. A teaspoon of milk. That's what we say.
we're not adding a teaspoon of milk.
What are we doing?
We're adding a cup of
Can
milk.
we do cookies?
Well, we're gonna see whatever this turns out to be. So
I want to do cookies.
it's gonna be something like cookies. Now be quiet.
I'm still here, guys.
Oh.
Don't worry about me.
I think a cup may have been a little too much milk, but you live and you learn. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we are, what should we add? Oh,
Sugar. Sugar.
good idea, but
Sugar.
stop. It's just salt too.
Salt.
Sad. Just gonna add a shake of salt. There you go.
To make it a little bit. Does salt make it sweet?
No.
I just say it makes it sweet. Just go
This
with
is-
the flow.
Oh. Oh yes, we're using this.
This is it. Powder of some kind.
Baking powder.
Baking powder.
We're using 1 tablespoon of it.
Can I pour it in?
Sure. Needs you to flatten it. Flatten it. I hate when I get it. Try not to get it on your hands. It's really annoying. Okay. That's it.
And do we stir right now?
No. We use this.
What is that? Wait, Claire?
Yeah.
I might know where some vanilla is.
Do you know where vanilla is? Can you
I
grab some?
think it's up on that thing.
Oh, let the dog out. So I will be going to grab vanilla.
I think it's this. There's no possible.
Oh, you peppermint.
Just go with the flow.
Let's try some peppermint.
Ew.
Just a drop.
I don't like mint.
Yeah, we're not gonna add peppermint. I just decided that. Oh,
Did you
I
already
need
put sugar in?
No, I haven't put sugar in. I just need it. I see the vanilla. There.
drops.
Tablespoon. Now
Can I put in?
you can pour. Pour. Good. Now let's add another. I'll pour this one in. Okay.
Whatever we end up to make, I think it won't be the best.
I think it will. I've used this exact. I've tried to use this exact recipe once. It worked out kind of good. Remember my brownie things I made?
I love those things. I found sugar. Can we put some Nutella in it?
Not right now. We used half a
It
cup of
smells
sugar.
good.
We used about half a cup of sugar.
Can I stir it?
We're not stirring it yet. Now, so now.
No, wait. Stay wait. Oh, the wait left. Pop.
And we need flour. And we have.
Guys, if you want to taste this, you might not. It tastes good.
So, Nora, now just give them the weather forecast.
Huh?
Give them the weather forecast.
It's rainy, very rainy, and hot. I gave some it.
I got some flour on my hand.
Why are you the bacon barely doing anything?
Can you carry that over here
This?
and put it in? Yeah. No, not that. The cup. The thing. That, yes.
Can I put in?
Yep.
Can I right now?
Yep.
Huh.
Now. Good. Now put that aside and put that in the bottom thing over there. Now put this in the bottom underneath it. So. And these in. Now I'm gonna mix it up.
So,
We're gonna mix it up.
oh, mixy. Don't think it's in the past.
Nora.
Can I stir some?
So now we're gonna stir for about 2 minutes. So
What's the yucky smell?
that's called vanilla. Can you clean up around here? Thank you.
Okay.
Now we're gonna stir it for 2 minutes. Put those two things in the dishwasher.
Claire, the dishwater already clean the things that's in it. They're clean.
Yeah, we're just gonna mix it until there's like no white stuff, like no like flour or sugar or anything like that, like on the top or left in it. And we might be able to change the color of it if we want to. What? Oh no, she's on the phone. Sorry. So now do you want to pour it into the thing? Do you think it's time to pour?
Who's pouring?
You can pour it together, okay?
Okay. You pour.
Oh, we need to add some butter too.
This butter?
Sure. Now grab a butter knife. Or, it's okay. I have one right here.
Now we have to mix it some more. Can I mix this part?
Yes. We're gonna mix it.
Mix.
And just mix it until I tell you to stop. Mix it up. Get the butter in there and churn it up. Churn the butter. Oh, and make sure you watch part 2 to be able to see the finishing parts. The finishing touches and everything like that. Can I stir it a bit? Yeah.
I think I got.
Now, do you think it's time?
Yeah.
Wait, now the butter's not
Wait.
there. Ready? Okay. It's time. It's time. So we're gonna put down and down, and all right, it's time to pour it into the oven. It's good. It's supposed to be like that. Good. Now we are gonna.
We didn't set up the thingy thing yet.
Oh, yes. Now make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just gonna do that.
Yes, I still suck my thumb. Oh, no, I don't. No, I don't.
Stop time. Nora, do you know how to preheat?
No. How?
Oh.
I think this had better times than its own time.
Okay, so
We're not leaving you hanging. We're just us.
okay.
New yummy vanilla. Put it in.
Now we're gonna put it in. Oh, it's preheating right now. Whatever. So right now we will. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and make sure you watch the part 2. So bye.
Bye.